to show you how to make money by just clicking emails. Yeah, I'm going to be walking you through step by step on how to make money by just clicking emails. You don't have anything to do. All you just need is to just be clicking emails and start earning. You can earn as much as possible on this platform I'm about to show you right now. But before we get right into the video, I'm Alabi Oluwabukomi. If this is your first time of meeting me right here on this channel, I make video around making money online and business growth. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe to this channel and also hit on the notification bell so that YouTube will surely notify you whenever I drop an amazing video right here on this channel. If you are looking for several ways to make money, I've made a lot of videos right here that will guide you on how to make money online as well, and also about business growth. So we are on a road to make to 1,000 subscribers, and know we can do it. Make sure you support this channel by subscribing to this channel, and along the way, if you are getting values from this video, do well to hit on the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel so as to not miss out on my daily videos right here on this channel. And with that being said, guys, let's dive into the video. So the website you are going to be going through, that you are going to be making money from right here today by just clicking email, is called Volitic.com. So just head on to your, this is the platform. So guys, don't worry, I'm going to drop the link to this site in the description of this video. Just once you are done with this video, just go to the description of this video and you are going to find it there. Just click the first link you are going to see in this video, then head on to this platform and set up your account. I'm going to be guiding you through on how to set up your account and how to make money right here on this platform. So once you click on the link in the description, the first link, it's going to take you to this interface right here. What you just see right there is just to click on register. So this is it, login. If you have gotten an account, that's where you are going to log in. But for you to register, all you just need to just not a member yet, click here to register. So click on that, click here. So for you to register on this Volitic.com, you are going to fill in your username, your email, your password, and confirm password, and also referral name or anything. But once you use the link, I'm going to drop in the description of the referral stuff is going to be filled automatically. And make sure you check all these three things so that you will be enabled to register right here. And once you have done all this, then click on registered. So I'm just going to be walking you through because I've gotten an account of this platform and just guiding you step by step. So once you just click on register, you are going to get an activation email, which is like this. You are going to get an activation email which is like this. So you are going to get an activation email like this. Hello, this is my own name, this is my username, hello Samuel 2020, that's my username. So this is the activation email. Just click it and confirm it. That's all what you just need to do. So once you click it, then click on return to page. So normally this is something I supposed to have guided you through before. This is the interface of the platform. So there are a lot of members in this platform, which are about 13,000 people that is currently using this platform right here. So and they pay a lot. Are you getting me? So and they pay a lot. And before you get into this video right here, into how to earn on it, let me just walk you through some things right here. As you can see, the interface of this, so all the minimum withdrawal, the minimum payout on this platform is $0.2. You don't need to accumulate more dollars before you cash out on this platform. The next right, guys, is that you can, apart from the fact that you are going to be making money by just clicking emails, you are going to earn through referrals. If you are able to accumulate a lot of referrals, can you see? Lastly, we pay you $1 for every referral when you refer earns $1. So this is awesome. If you can refer a lot of people, just make sure you share your link to like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, any, and also you can advertise on, can talk about it on TikTok, so that a lot of people will use your referral code, your referral link to sign up on this platform and earn $1. So this is awesome. So let's get right into the platform right now. So let me click on sign in because I've gotten an account on this platform. Or what I just need to do is just to log in my account. So this is what you are going to do as well. So let me just log in my account. So what, and this is on this platform is very secure to the extent that whenever you want to log in, you are going to get a security code. You are going to get a secure, no matter how you can, if you log in 5 times or 20 times a day, you are going to be getting a security code so that this account will be protected. So I'm going to check my email now for me to copy my the code that has been sent there. So that's what I'm going to do right here now. I had to copy the code that has been sent to my email, and I've copied it there, and I've confirmed it, and the code has so once I click on confirm, it takes me to the dashboard, and as you can see right here, I've earned some amount of dollars right here on this platform, for you to know that this platform is really working and it's paying just by clicking on emails. And I'm also going to show you those emails that have not covered, that they have sent to me, that I've not even clicked on, so that we are going to do it experimentally, and we are going to practically, and we are going to see if this money is going to accumulate right here, guys. So as you can see right here, we have gotten 0.0045 cents right here as my main earnings here. So I'm going to go right here into my email now and see those emails that have been sent to me, so that I can click it and still earn some dollars right here. So let me go right into my emails for me to click and still earn more. Very simple and straightforward, guys. So guys, if you are gaining values from this video, do well to hit on the subscribe button, and also if you are going along this video, if you find this video very interesting, do well to comment in the comment section and say thank you, Oluwabunmi. That's all what I need from you. And also make sure to like this video, so that YouTube will surely show this video to a lot of people that need the type of content, that are interested in the type of content as well. And also make sure you share this video to your loved ones, share it to your social platform, so that a lot of people will gain values from this video as well. So guys, let's continue. So these are some of the emails that they have sent to me, and I've worked on it, and I've earned through it. So as you can see, this one I've not even clicked on it. So we are going to be working on this one, and I think there's one at, so this is the two that they have sent that I've not even worked on at all. So I'm going to, so I just keep it right here for the sake of this video. So as you are doing this task, you'll be receiving this kind of image every day, multiple ones. Just be clicking it and you earn, click it and you earn. So let us do it right now. Let me click on the first one. Just click on it. If you have anything to do, click on the email, click on this link at the right here. So what we just need to do right here is just to wait for this thing to load. Are you seeing this? Let it completely load. After that, we just earn our money right here. Just let us wait and let's see the magic. So if you are getting values from this video, make sure to share this video. Comment in the comments. I want to hear your comment in the comment section. Thank you. Even if you don't have anything to comment on, just make sure you just type in, and also like this video. Whenever you are watching from, like this video. I will really appreciate that a lot. So the thing has completed, it has got it to 100, and we have one instruction right here that said click or touch airplane. So for for them to confirm if you are a woman being, or so that they won't see maybe you are a robot or anything. So that's what they want to confirm. They said click on airplane. You just click on airplane and click on send. That's just what you need. So as you can see right here, you should see a message that they said you have been credited. You have been credited successfully for these activities. This is the amount of dollars you are earning for this ads. So we are going to do the second one as well. And once you do the second one, we are going to go to our Volotic account and see if we have accumulated some dollars as well. So this one we have done with this one. Let me go to another email right here. So let me just click this email. So click on the link and let's see what's going to happen right here. So the thing is going to load up as usual. Let us wait as the thing goes. So guys, if you are gaining values from this video, and if you haven't joined my WhatsApp community, I'm going to drop the link in the description of this video. Do well to join this community if you are really passionate about making money online in diverse ways, because in this community I'm going to be discussing about diverse ways you can make money online. I reach out to you to a lot of ways that you can make thousands of dollars and also earn in nairas online as well. If you really want to make legit money online in diverse ways, because a lot of opportunity is going to be exposed also in the community. Do well to go to the comment in the description of this video and join our WhatsApp community as well. So I think this thing has loaded up as well, and the question we are asked there is that click or touch the pants. So this is the pants and click on send. So we are done. So as you can see the message right here, you have been credited. You have been credited successfully for this activity. These are another dollars we have earned. Let us check if we have earned some cool cash right here. So let us refresh this, because this is the amount we have right here before. But let's refresh it and if this is going to add up. So let's refresh and let's see what's going to happen. Guys, as you see, we have 45 cents here before, but now it has increased to 75. Guys, so if you are receiving these thousands of emails every day, just click it, do the normal process I did, and you can start making some cool cash online. And all what you don't have to calculate more money right here. Once you just get to $0.2, you cash out your money instantly. But let me walk you through the payment method right here. Let me see if I'm going to see the payment. Okay, for you to know the payment method, just click on withdrawal. Click on withdrawal. So you can get paid through Payee. Yeah, can get paid through Payee. So this is what you are going to be. So you can get paid through Payee, and if you don't have a Payee account, you can just head on to YouTube. And if you want me to do a video on how to create a Payee account, drop it in the comment section. Let me know your opinion, let me know your choice, and I'm going to go ahead and do a video on how to create this, or to have access to withdraw your money on this platform. And if you want to earn more money on this platform, I'm going to be giving you 2 tricks on how to calculate massive money on this. It's either you refer a lot of people to this platform, like anyone $1 per refer. You know that how cool is that? And also you can get more. You can sign up through your different emails. You can have multiple accounts and accumulate more money. So guys, this is how you can earn on this platform. And as you can see right here, although this platform can earn you some extras of cash, but it cannot make you financially free. But if you want to make money, a lot of money, weekly, monthly, online, you can consider joining our WhatsApp community, where I'm going to be showing you how to make money through affiliate marketing. Join it. I'm going to be showing you free access on how to join affiliate marketing, what you need to know, and every other thing. This is the necessary step for you to be making money through the business model called affiliate marketing. On subsequent video, I'm going to be dropping out on this channel. So I'm going to be also doing videos on this affiliate marketing as WhatsApp community so that you won't miss out on this type of update as well. So guys, this is how to make money by just clicking emails. Click on emails and you earn. So guys, if you get values from this video, before I go, my name is Olabi Oluwabukunmi. So this is the end of this video.